Hi, this is Toby, and today I'll be talking to you about Astrophytum myriostigma ver quadricostatum. Now, Astrophytum myriostigma ver quadricostatum is a different form of Astrophytum myriostigma in that it's different that it has 4 ribs instead of 5. So a typical myriostigma would look something like this with 5 ribs, but quadricostatum only has 4 ribs. And this makes it look different, but in all the aspects it's the same species. It's just a different variety with different rib number, and it's typically present on plants when they're not very old, because as you know, when myriostigma gets old, the rib numbers do increase. So as this plant gets old, it will eventually add more ribs onto the plant. It's very rare that you'll get a large specimen that only has 4 ribs. Care in respect to this plant is the same of a typical myriostigma. You give it water around once a week, or when the soil is dry. The potting medium should be well drained, and in winter you keep it dry as well. It also has these nice flecks on it that will come off if you touch it, although there are nudum varieties that also only have 4 ribs. The flower is also the same as myriostigma, which is pure yellow, and this is the first time that this plant is flowering, so really nice. And they do grow around the same speed as a myriostigma, the normal ones. This was growing quite rapidly. Around 2 years ago, I think the size was only around the size of this rib, so it was only around this big, a quarter of its size right now, around 2 years ago. But as you can see, in just 2 years it has developed really quickly. This hasn't been fertilized, and it's a really cool plant that differs from your normal myriostigma. So we'll have an up close shot of Astrophytum myriostigma ver quadricostatum. As you can see, it is the same as a normal myriostigma in terms of its characteristics, except for the number of ribs. I'll come over here and show you the flower. Very pretty yellow flowers, and they will set seed as well if you pollinate them. So that's about it for this video. And if you want to know more about Astrophytum myriostigma care, I have a for beginners and amateurs video on that, and I'll link that in the description below. And you would have also seen this plant, I believe, in how to repot Astrophytum, so you could see what the plant looked like when I repotted it into this pot. It does need a repotting soon. You can see it's grown quite rapidly and it's filled up the pot again. I'm really happy with this plant. But then again, thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share my channel around. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below and I'll try to answer them. But thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.